Time to hit the road. I am on my way down to the unit. Today we have a nice beautiful car in for a ceramic coating application. So let's go on a journey and you'll see when we get there.
Cause I've been screwed over by so many dumb bitches, and with this music I know I can never trust bitches, but deep down I knew I wish I was cuffed with a good girl I could get to know closely. Me is hiding, the more I'm getting older, feel I'm running out of options.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you're watching this video in the world. Welcome to another video of Arts and Automotive. So today, it's all about a special beauty, one from a customer of ours. It's already been ceramic coated in the past, changed his car and his new vehicle is in straight away for that same treatment. So, are you ready to see the car we're working on today? Today, it is all about this beauty, Audi RS5 in Nardo Grey. I think Nardo or crayon. Oh, what a beautiful car. Look at this, look at the spec. It's filthy at the moment, but that's what we're here for, to give this car some arty love. So this car is a daily driver, so with all daily drivers we always recommend our level 1 enhancement detail, which is a minimum of a 70% improvement to the current condition of the vehicle. That is a 2-layer ceramic coating application, a base coat and top coat for hydrophobic action and high levels of gloss, wheel protection to make sure these bad boys stay clean for a long period of time, and also glass protection. Now the interior protection is optional extra, but when your car's brand new it makes sense getting it done, save you the hassle in the long run. So let me just show you the interior so you can see what the inside of this car looks like. Oh man, look at this, absolutely stunning. And as you can see, the digital display has said good morning Arty fam, so say good morning. Beautiful. Even got RS in the carpet, the red contour stitching, carbon fibre on the door cards, carbon fibre on the cluster, carbon fibre in the center console, carbon fibre on the dash. Beautiful, beautiful car. So, as always, time for me to do what I do best, get this car looking arty fresh.
Yeah, they ain't gonna like it. They ain't gonna like it. I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. Think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. Same old nigga from the block. Same old nigga with
so, the wash, dry, decontamination, and all the final rubbings has been completed. I've got most of the excess water off the vehicle. Now it's time to bring it into the unit, inspect the paintwork, and make the real magic happen. Let's go. So, as you can see, the car is inside the unit and is now dry. The light I had on the left hand side of the car, just to do a quick visual check, what you can't see on the camera because of the shade of the light and obviously the focus, is there's some minor imperfections. Now I'm very impressed with the condition of the car, not much things for me to work with. So this car will be having a spot correction, which means I'll be looking around the car like a fine-tooth comb and correcting the areas that need it. I've used different light sources. One being obviously the light you see down on the floor there, and the other being my Roops swell finder. So this pen, obviously I can focus the light, changing the light contour to the panel of the car. It will give me different imperfections by using this light rather than the spotlight that you see there. So impressed. Hopefully this should go nice and smooth. I will stitch in some clips of me doing some work as per usual, but for now, enjoy. currently the spot correction is going well. Left hand side of the vehicle is complete. I've done the back and I'm now on the driver's side of the car. Very, very minor imperfection of this vehicle, so it's giving me a nice easy job. As you can see, stripped down to the vest and shorts because it's warm in here. And yeah, time stitching some clips of work on the driver's side. So the current situation is the car has had its spot correction. I've checked all the areas and it looks A1. Time for me to start panel wiping, which is getting off all the oils from the polish that I've just done to ensure when I put the coating on, the coating bonds directly to the paintwork. The ceramic coating of choice will be this, the Sonax Proline 36. This is a 36-month coating, durable for 3 years with correct maintenance. So the coating is made up of two forms, the base coat and a hydrophobic layer. The base coat goes down first, you leave that to cure, and then you put the hydrophobic layer on top. So let's get coating.
All the praise goes to the maker, and you put race in the container. If that girl bad, then I must take her. I'm not a stealer, I'm a taker. You don't wanna grind as a complainer. Them man never done a hard labor.
So we are all complete. The beautiful Audi RS5 has had its level 1 enhancement detail, 2-layer ceramic coating application, base coat, hydrophobic coat, wheel protection, glass protection and interior protection. What a stunning, beautiful vehicle. Now I'm going to give you a quick walk around the car, tell me what you think.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
What do you think? RS5 looking absolutely incredible. Ceramic coating definitely changes the appearance of a car and it gives it long-term value. Protected for 3 years with correct maintenance, but this one is on our direct debit plan, so it'll be maintained every month, every 2 weeks, every week if it needs to. What can I say? Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, smash the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. For now, you know the motto, whatever you do,